Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Vauxhall Grandland X SRI nav. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 128 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 36,000 miles and comes with full service history from Vauxhall. This particular colour is the Metallic Topaz Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As for everything inside, first of all you get the nice raised driving position. The seats are really supportive being the SRI and have the half leather around the outer edge, and the front passengers have the armrest as well as two cup holders there in the centre. Onto the dashboard you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has Apple Carplay and Android Auto as well. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also comes with climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. The Grandland's a great car for the family, so good access there into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well as a USB port there in the centre. As we open the tailgate, to reveal a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the Pulsar shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor you also have your tire inflator kit and also a lot of extra storage, so nice and practical. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.